Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Tiffany and today we're going to talk about Influenster and how you can start receiving Voxboxes just like this. Thumbnail. Free in the mail. All you have to do is leave an honest review on influenster.com. Is my hair looking a little rough today? Yes. Should you still watch this video? Also yes. First, we're going to talk about what Influencer is. Influencer is an app that you can download on your phone. You can also head down to the description of this video and hit that link. It's a referral link. It'll take you straight to Influencer, tell you exactly what to do and how to download the app and how to get started. You need to set up your profile. This is very straightforward, setting up a profile picture, setting up a short description of yourself. And also what you want to do, this is really important, is to link your different socials to your Influencer app. And how you can do that is it's very straightforward. It has like all of the socials. You can link your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube, and you basically just click those, link those accounts, and that will create an impact score. So once you have that impact score, I mean, honestly, I think it just lets Influencer know the reach that you have on your socials. But I wouldn't worry too much about that because my reach is not that much. And honestly, there are other ways that you can gain impact when trying to receive the Voxboxes. But you do want to try to link as many socials as you can to the Influencer app so that you can gain that impact score. Once you have that, just get on the app and make a presence on the app by commenting on reviews or commenting on other people's reviews. You can also start doing reviews on products that you currently have. So all you have to do is go to the search in the Influencer app, go to the search and search for products that you already have and that you know and love and write a review on it. It's super easy to do and people love to look at reviews before. I know I love to look at reviews before I purchase something, especially if it's a bigger ticket item. That's another thing to mention. Influencer is not just beauty products. It's food and beverages and appliances and I mean, literally tons and tons. There's pet stuff, home stuff, baby stuff. Over the years, I have been sent diapers, applesauce. I mean, a lot of beauty and skincare stuff because that was my main focus whenever I started Influencer. But after I had kids, I have multiple kids. I have 3 boys. I opened it up and I started to do reviews or have interest in other categories so that whenever you set up your profile, there are these other categories that you can explore. And you can go in and look at reviews, comment on reviews, and make reviews in those other categories. And it lets Influencer know, hey, this person is interested in X, Y, and Z and would maybe love to try out X, Y, and Z. So then after you have your account set up, your impact score set up, and you have made a presence on the app and you are putting those reviews in or commenting on the other reviews, asking questions. There's also questions that people will ask. You can respond to those questions or answer those questions for those people. So that will all help you out to receive the Voxboxes. Then you just want to check your email. So this isn't necessarily a quick process. It can happen really quick. Don't feel discouraged if it doesn't happen right away. Just keep at it, keep sending those reviews out, and keep making a presence on the Influencer app. So you've done all of those steps. The next thing is to just keep checking your email. So whatever email you've signed up with, they will send you an email that is basically a survey. So it's like, you're on the short list for, our next Voxbox, and it will give you a survey. And so you will answer this survey, and I will say, make sure that you have a few minutes to sit down and complete this survey because, it could just be my phone, my app, my experience. I don't know, it might not be like this for everyone, but the survey is extremely slow. Like whenever you go in to fill out the survey, it might say, what are the current skincare brands that you use, and you would click, you know, all of these boxes. There might be another box, and you might click next, and then nothing happens, nothing happens, nothing happens. It takes a while to go to the next page. The only thing I can think of is this is how the survey runs. This is how the technology is on their end or my end, I don't know. Or it could be generating the next set of questions for the survey. So there could be that too. It's populating some different responses based on what you have said. So just make sure you have a few minutes to sit down and complete the survey. You submit the survey, you submit it with your address, and then usually within a week, if they feel like it's the right fit for this campaign, you'll get an email that says you're in, and you'll be receiving a Voxbox just like this. You can go into the app, you can look at tracking the package, then you will receive a Voxbox in the mail. Once you receive the Voxbox, you can head on into the app and your campaigns will show up in your profile, and it'll tell you how long you have to complete the campaign, which is how long you have to test out the products and review the products on, or you know, sometimes it's different. Sometimes you review them just on Influenster, do a review on Influencer and on Sephora.com. It just honestly depends on what that company is wanting for that particular campaign. So this is the most recent one where I received. You have a month to complete the campaign, and this particular campaign is requiring you to review it on esteelauder.com and post it on Instagram. Somebody woke up from their nap, so I have a little helper. Okay, so like I was saying, this one came from Estee Lauder. Inside you'll have a card telling you, you know, directions, what to do. You can also look them up, directions, on the Influenster app. So basically this is their new Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power Cream. Something to mention, so this is a travel size. A smaller size. Oh, she's tiny. But it will also say, you know, whenever you're doing the survey, are you open to receiving sample products? And I am, because I'm not paying for them. They are free, and honestly, samples are a great way to test out a product. Excuse me, sir. So this I would consider a deluxe sample, because it's not in a little pouch, it is in a little jar, so you can kind of get a feel of what the original packaging looks like, just bigger. Another thing that you would want to do is, if you are a licensed cosmetologist or esthetician, you definitely want to put that in there, because so the next Voxbox is actually a Voxbox that I received from Salon Centric. So if you are a licensed cosmetologist, you should know what Salon Centric is. I will link Salon Centric in the description of this video, just in case you have never shopped at a Salon Centric. We do not have one. I think the closest one we have where I live is about an hour and 15 minutes away. We have a Cosmoprof. That's the like beauty supply store that we have closest. But this Voxbox came with five full-size bottles of hair products to choose or to try. This was a part of a texture hair campaign that they did. So a lot of these products are going to be for textured or curly hair, but there's a humidity gel, there's a growth oil, which this was really awesome. It was like peppermint, and it just helps. I mean, scalp health is something that I feel like people kind of neglect from time to time, but it's also really important to treat your scalp just as much as you would try to treat your hair. It was, in here is a leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant. So all of these products were full-size products for me to try out. And so because this had 5 products in it, there was more reviews to do. So I had to submit in 1 review for each product that I tried in this Voxbox. So you submit the 5 product reviews, and then I think you also had to post on Instagram. So it's really important to complete these campaigns because that keeps you in the running also to receive Voxboxes in the future. So anytime I get a Voxbox, I make sure that I do all of the required reviews, and I do them honestly. Y'all, there was a product in this box that I gave like 2 or 3 stars because honestly, I just didn't, it just wasn't for me. And that's something that, you know, the product wasn't necessarily bad. There was nothing wrong with the product, but it just wasn't for me. And I think it's important to be honest whenever you're doing reviews. So you don't necessarily have to give these people 5 stars and praise their product if it's not something that you feel like deserves it. So these are honest reviews that the influencer wants, and I've always made sure to do honest reviews. So that Voxbox had 5 products in it, super awesome. The next Voxbox, y'all, when I say I was so excited to receive this, I use this product all the time. So I received a Redken Voxbox, and inside has 2 full-size bottles of shampoo and conditioner in their blondage. This is the purple shampoo and conditioner that Redken has. And I use this all the time. I buy it, I use it, I've used it for years, and they are doing this Voxbox because they came out with this new size. I love the new packaging because it's so much easier to use. I like the flip top better than the push, and also these bottles. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Redken shampoos and conditioners, but the bottles were so hard to squeeze. So these bottles are just way easier to squeeze and use. And so they were doing the campaign to announce and let people try the new packaging. So this product has been around for a while, but they were, you know, redoing the packaging, or if they redo the formula, then they, you know, might send out Voxboxes to let people try and review, to get that word out there that they have redone the packaging or whatever. So that's what happened with this shampoo. So I was so excited to receive this because I use it all the time. So those were the 3 Voxboxes that I have received recently, but like I said, I've received so many Voxboxes over the years. It's just a great way to try products that you maybe would not have ever tried. Like, I think that there was a couple of campaigns where they were doing hair color, like at-home hair color, and honestly, I'm not interested in coloring, like dyeing my hair at home. So that was something that I opted out of, and it's completely fine if you opt out of certain campaigns. Just that way you're opting in to the ones that you would review and enjoy. Give me these. Give me these. No. So I think it's just really important to be honest with, I mean, everything in life, but just be honest with your reviews, be honest with your profile, and be honest in those surveys, and just keep on doing those reviews. If you have already downloaded Influencer and you've done your profile and you've done your impact score, and you still haven't been receiving the Voxboxes, just go in and make sure that the impact score is correct. Like, make sure it does actually have linked all of your socials that you want it to have linked, and then make sure that you're showing up in the Influencer app, you know, every day, every couple of days, and liking comments, liking reviews, submitting reviews. Just have a presence on the app, and I guarantee you will start to get those emails with surveys for upcoming Voxboxes, and you will start receiving Voxboxes. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I'll have linked all of the information in the description of this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you.